What's going on, everyone? In this video today we are going to debadge the back of the Prius here. I do this on pretty much every vehicle I have. I just think the cleaner look is better. The only thing you want to make sure on different vehicles is that they don't have pins in the decals, because those pins actually go through holes in your vehicle. The one on the front just below the hood is pinned, so just keep that in mind, but we're just going to do the back. All you need to get this done is really Goo Gone and some fishing line to feed behind the decals and kind of slice them off. And then some cloth, rag, microfiber cloth, just to work off the adhesive residue left over while you're using the Goo Gone. So just taking the fishing line, find an edge, and you should just be able to kind of wiggle it back and forth. And that's about it. They're going to come off pretty easy. The double-sided tape is going to be left here, and we'll try to work off chunks of it as best we can before using Goo Gone. But first we'll get all these decals off. So that was it. I don't know what that was, a minute, 2 minutes. All the decals are off, so that's super fast. The long part is getting all this sticky stuff off after. This is where patience is the key. Once I get like a little bit of that tape off, I can like kind of ball it up, and you can try to catch an edge, and it's still quite sticky, so it can stick to itself. And sometimes it helps peel off a little bit easier than just trying to rub it with your finger. This is going to be the most time-consuming part, but I recommend getting as much off as you can before introducing Goo Gone, because once you throw some Goo Gone on here, this isn't going to work anymore. So I've got it to where I want it to be. I got as much off as I could by hand, and now we're just going to use some of the Goo Gone. If you take a look, there's almost nothing left on there, so this shouldn't take too long. So you don't have to be shy with this stuff. You're going to get it pretty wet, and you're just going to saturate all the areas with leftover adhesive. And if you took a lot off like I did, this should come off fairly easily. If you left some thicker areas, like I have a couple, you might have to hit it again. So rub off what you can, whatever loosened up the first time, and then just come back at it again with some more Goo Gone. Kind of let it soak in again, saturate it. And then after it's had a second, again, I like to just find a kind of a drier spot on the rag. And that's it, guys. Once you can't notice anything visually and you're not feeling anything under your fingers, you've probably got it all off. I just gave it a quick wipe with water because I'm just going to run over to the car wash right now, and then I'll show you guys the final results right after that. So there's the final result, the before and the after. Personally, I just think it looks way better, way cleaner. Let me know what you guys think. Have you done this to your Prius? Are you going to now? Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.